Hi guys, I welcome you to the session of Social Science Civics Chapter 1 Understanding Diversity. Hi guys, welcome to my Schooling YouTube channel. Today we shall discuss about diversity. What is diversity? We look at many people around us. Do we look alike? Do we have same tastes and preferences? Do we talk in the same language? No. Children, can you see the picture given here by me? For diversity, many people, many looks, many traits, behavior, culture, religion, different languages, different abilities, resources, opportunities, everything is different. They don't look alike. What is the meaning of diversity, children? Diversity is the condition of having many different elements. For example, we can say a classroom full of children of different backgrounds. Let's discuss about diversity in India. India is a country of vast diversity. People speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, eat various types of food. Unity in diversity. Can you see the picture given here? We eat different kinds of food. We practice different culture. We come from many states. We share many different varieties of culture, isn't it not? We dress up differently. We look differently. So this is diversity in India. We have many states, isn't it not? Each of us share different cultures. Unity in diversity. India is a land of many religions and communities. Great diversity in our habits and customs. Yet we all live together as Indians. Everyone on earth differs from each other. Lack of uniformity and sense of variety is shown. Example, do we like to eat the same variety of food every day? Do you like to see your friends also having same attributes like you? The picture shown here is for your better understanding. We have many states, different cultures, different religions. We speak different dialects and languages. We dress up differently, but we all stand together united as Indians. Unity in diversity. Despite diversities, there are similarities which unite us. We all are Indians. During freedom struggle, the whole country came together to oppose British. The Indian national flag reminds us of unity in diversity. So when we encounter any problem, we stand together. Though we are separated by different languages, different cultures, different states, different geographical territories, we all stand together as Indians. Factors influencing diversity. Historical and geographical factors influence our diversity. Long back past how we were, we just follow that. And due to geographical factors also, we change our way of living. Influence the diversity of region. Life of people near the sea is different from people living in a mountainous area. We can also compare with the plains. People live in a different way. We are going to study about the place Ladakh, which is given in our book. Ladakh is in Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh is surrounded by world's mightiest mountain ranges, the Karakoram range in the north and the Great Himalayas in the south. So children, here I have shown you the picture of Ladakh. Ladakh is in Jammu and Kashmir. It is having loftiest mountains and many passes. It is a place where you can find utmost cold. It is famous for Pashmina wool. Now shall we discuss what Ladakh is famous for? Ladakh is famous for Pashmina wool with lot of designs, breathtaking landscapes of the place, crystal clear skies, highest mountain passes, Buddhist monasteries and festivals. Children, in this picture, can you see Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir? For your easy identification, this picture has been shown to you for your better understanding. Now let's discuss about Kerala. Kerala is located in the southwestern part of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other. Children, can you see the picture of Kerala given here? It's called as God's own country. It attracts many tourists. What is Kerala famous for? Its boat race, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, and its famous food. And Thrissur Puram also. We have shown the map of Kerala for your better understanding. Many of you might have visited Kerala, isn't it not? Jallianwala Bagh massacre on April 13, 1919, British General Dyer and his troops attacked a large meeting of unarmed people. Several men and women were killed brutally. The place is in Amritsar, Punjab. Shall we discuss about Samir's story now? A newspaper boy became friend of Samir in the signal. Till traffic lights turned green, they picked up a small conversation. The friendship develops over a period of time. Coincidentally, the newspaper boy's name was also Samir. But he was a Muslim. The two Samirs came from different religions. They had different opportunities. While one had the opportunity of going to school and studying, the other did not. So many of us have different opportunities. We are not equal in all respects. We are diverse in all respects. But still we like each other, isn't it not? Shall we discuss some of the important terms relevant to this chapter? Diversity, sense of variety that exists in traits, looks, behavior, culture, religion, language, abilities, resources, and opportunities. Now, what is inequality, children? Difference between two or more people because of their abilities, opportunities, or sometimes caste, etc. Habitat, geographical area of a living being is known as habitat. Resources, anything that can be of any use in any activity is termed as resource. We have come to the end of this chapter. Hope all of you enjoyed this video and understood it. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my Schooling YouTube channel and click the post notifications and you will be notified every time. Thank you.